Using role-playing and video modeling as a tool for social skills instruction for students with ASD. This presentation was made for students, parents, and school personnel. Things you may observe about someone with ASD is that sometimes understanding social cues may be difficult. Eye contact isn't always present. They may struggle to understand information that is implied and not directly stated. They may have rigid or inflexible thinking. They may struggle to make and maintain relationships, and they can become easily overstimulated. Living with a person diagnosed with ASD is an amazing and unique adventure that may sometimes have its challenges in participating in social and community events. Families may feel like friends and family are unprepared for interacting with their child and may not understand their unique needs. Our friends with ASD deserve the best help, but this might put financial stress and put fresh stress on resources for families. It may also be hard for siblings to sacrifice their parents' time and attention for the needs of their sibling. What the students learn at school should directly and positively affect families. Goals worked on should come from what families need the most to make their child and family life easier and more successful. By using research-based strategies, we can promote acceptance and understanding of students with ASD. We can also use this research to use methods that work best to help people with ASD in gaining skills to make them feel less anxious when they're in social situations. Since visual stimuli has been proven to help individuals with ASD's needs better than auditory stimuli, we use evidence-based practices to address skills that need direct instruction, such as social skills. At school, students work together focusing on IEP goals and grade standards to create video models they use to mentor their students in the elementary school. This allows them to learn skills they can demonstrate to younger students and build confidence as mentors out in the community. These videos currently focus on communication and uses role play and video modeling on how to interact with language when they may not understand the context of a situation. Here are the resources used in this presentation. And sure, we use research to inform our methods, but our greatest resource is information from families. Please fill out the following survey to guide us to help more effectively.